Hello, everybody. My name is Raphael Abel, and I'm one of the co-founders of Ventus. At Ventus, we make high-resolution weather forecasting for the automotive industry. We partnered up with Mercedes to make high-resolution wind forecast for their range estimation systems.
Thanks. My name is Manfred from Mercedes-Benz. And what we are doing with that, we have a Mercedes cloud and car and want to calculate the energy consumption of the car and for the future. Next slide. And this one is the example from the car. So we have a track and are calculating the energy and the goal and the charging station. So we have to look for the data of the car and the data is outside of the car. And outside of the car, it's very important to have the temperature and the wind. And it's one of the most important things which can influence this calculation is the wind. And there is the specialist, Raphael.
Okay, and what have we actually done in the pilot project with Mercedes? So we conducted a large variety of test drives under different wind conditions to basically see the effect of the wind on the range. And then we basically proved that we can increase the accuracy of the range estimation system with integrating our very high resolution wind, which has a resolution of 30 meters. And then in the project also successfully delivered that our wind forecasting increases the accuracy by up to 50%. And this is just done by basically making a better image of reality, integrating high-resolution topography data, integrating high-resolution vegetation data, and that really makes the difference. But range estimation is only one of the use cases we deal with at Ventus. On top of that, there's also fleet electrification. So when do you think about electric vehicles, in particular heavy-duty vehicles? You think about having a depot at one place and having a lot of stations where you need to go. So how do you operate these electric vehicles from an operational point of view? Which are the vehicles you should buy for your operations? How do you scale your charging infrastructure? This is questions we help our customers with. And then in the end, it's also about safety. Think about strong crosswinds and these huge trucks that have a very large area of attack for the wind. And then also think about autonomous driving. Autonomous systems really need to know about the weather conditions ahead. Think about heavy rain. This has a strong effect on the LiDAR, but also on the cameras. And what about wind? Wind can actually not be seen by cameras or LiDAR. So the autonomous vehicles need to get the information from us. And how do we make all that possible? So currently, we are developing a new forecasting model. This integrates satellite data, also weather radar and a lot of weather stations, and also vehicle data to make really forecasts on a very shortly timely manner to give the autonomous vehicles the forecast for the next 5 minutes so that they can plan ahead. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.